Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining. So today I'm going to share with you how I made a miniature garland for my miniature Christmas tree using items from the wood section in the Dollar Tree and one item from Hobby Lobby. So come on in and let me share with you how I made these garlands. So first off, I'm starting out with these miniature wooden gingerbread pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stain them with this stain to get the gingerbread color that I want to make them. And I'm going to use a brush, and then I'm going to wipe it down so they don't stain too dark. And I'm going to wipe it down with a rag. And then the next thing, guys, I'm going to use some glue, Elmer's glue, to make my trim like frosting. And guys, I know I could use puff paint, but I didn't have any, didn't want to go to the store to buy any. So I'm using what I have. And yes, this will dry clear. So I'm going to put on some glitter first. Then I'm going to go over with a white paint to seal the glitter, and it's going to give me the frosting look, and it's also going to have a little shine to it, but not a whole lot. So I'm just going this route, one, because I don't have the puff paint, and two, I do not want it to be too glittery with the glitter. Once the glue and the glitter have dried, I went over it with a thin brush using Snow White paint. And this is what it looks like now before I painted it. So, and this is what the clear and the glitter looks like. But I wanted it to look a little more white. Now this one I have done already. And I'm going to show you how I went across it with Snow White paint using my trim brush. And this, guys, give me the look that I really wanted for this project. Once I finish that, I have some jute rope here, and I am going to hot glue the gingerbread men on here along with some candy cane stickers that I found also in the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to do every other one with gingerbread man and then with the candy cane. And that's how I'm going to make the garland for this tree. Now this is what I'm going to use for the topper on my tree, and I found this house at Dollar General. It was there, and I did the same steps, stained it first, and it was $1 at Dollar General, and it has the light in there where you can change into all of the colors. And I thought this was so neat and cute to be the topper for this tree. Now for the next garland that I'm doing for my tree, I'm using raffia. It's a lot thinner than the jute rope that I use for the gingerbread garland. And the raffia will hold these styrofoam puff balls that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were half price, ended up being $2.50, and I'm just going to hot glue them on here in a pattern that I came up with using red and white, similar for candy cane. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna do this on this to make it into a garland, and it's that plain, simple, and easy to do. So guys, here's the final look on everything, and I really enjoy making both of these garlands for this tree. Really plain, simple, and a cute, easy DIY you can do also with kids. And hopefully you guys enjoy watching me make this. So until my next video, guys, share this video, like it, give it a thumbs up, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so right now so you can receive notifications on all of my videos. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.